Hey guys, Jeff and Mark here in the heart of Moncks Corner. You know, we don't get out this way too often. And when I say out this way, it's not out.
It's like 20 minutes away from our office, 25 minutes. But a lot of people like it because it's like a downtown Mayberry feel.
It is.
You know, with the restaurant over there, Music Man Barbecue.
I'll be honest, with such a barbecue fanatic, I have not been to Music Man yet.
Oh, you got to try it.
I'm going to be going with it. I can make you this promise. In the next 14 days,
you're going to go.
Andrews, because you'll know about it. Andrews like, you made me go to Music Man.
No, your fault, Mark.
Barbecue. So we got a great neighborhood today. Something interesting with this neighborhood. We're going to go show you Dream Finder's Abbey Walk.
Yep.
They're putting solar panels during construction on every single house in the neighborhood. We've got single families and townhouses in there.
Yeah, it's interesting.
So no amenities in the neighborhood,
no.
But all this, we're going to show you a sports complex here that's right, we're 7 minutes.
7 minutes from the neighborhood.
So all the restaurants, all the shops, everything right here, 7 minutes from the neighborhood. We'll tell you more about the solar when we're done, but let's go in and see these two houses.
So, all right, Jeff, this is the Millstream model. 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,304 square feet. And we just realized that this home, a lot of the townhomes are back to woods.
Yeah.
Which is really, really nice.
So this one and this white one right next door is also currently available, and it is back to woods. It's an end cap unit.
Yeah.
We're going to show you this one.
Yeah, let's go into this one. Nice that they have enough room for a couple chairs out here.
Yep.
A lot of the townhomes don't have covered porch like that on the front. And then I like the way they have it set up.
Yeah, this is really open. Thinking about TV placement.
Would have to be there.
Yeah, just have this set up a little bit
Different. Yeah.
Couch over here, maybe with a couple chairs of the TV over where those pictures are.
Yeah. But big table in here for a townhouse. That's great. And then I like how big the peninsula is here.
Look at you dropping big words. Peninsula. Impressive.
You got a little pantry.
Yes.
You got no covering in the back, but there's a little shed out there, it looks like.
And there's a storage room, it looks like. We'll get there in a second. So a half bath here. Yeah. And then there's another closet over here. I'm guessing just a coat. Although, you know what? I wonder if this goes under the steps a little bit. No. More of a step-in closet here.
Or a step-in, okay. You got the drainage out here that acts like a pond.
Yep.
And they've already put up a little divider. I would imagine you could go all the way out to your stakes there.
Yeah, maybe.
And close it in if you wanted to.
But across I like those reeds. Across the water there, looks like woods. And so probably won't be seeing other homes.
Right. Oh, your electrical panels in there.
Okay. So this is really nice to have this space for storage. Now, this is not heated and cooled.
No, but you put your bike in, just a few things.
And it's not like you need a lawnmower here.
Right.
All right, so got the wood tread on the steads, on the
wood tread on the steads.
Yeah, wood treads to the spends.
That's a new one.
We're just making things up as we go, yeah. Carpeting upstairs. This is a secondary room. I don't know. We might have the primary here.
Yep, I think you're right.
Walk-in closet. That's a king-size bed.
Yep.
With a couple tables on either side.
Yeah, you got a step-in shower here.
All right. That'll work. And I guess we're going to have washer-dryer up here a bit.
Probably both bedrooms have bathrooms because there's only 2 bedrooms.
You are right, sir. 2 primaries.
Yep.
Mr. Klim with the save. We've got this one's not quite done. Smaller walk-in closet on this one.
Mm-hmm. So, and the other one has the walk-in shower rather than the tub shower combo.
Okay.
So I would say the other one is the primary.
Yep.
Probably.
So, but still, two primaries up here. It's nice. Love it. Hey guys, here in front of the Windermere, it's 4-bedroom. All the bedrooms are upstairs, 2,474 square feet. They got a little Mexican fiesta party going on here today, so you're going to see a little extra in here today. But you can see how you could decorate your house if you wanted to. Actually, I think, Mark, Can we just commit, if somebody buys 3 homes, it'll come with balloons?
Yeah, absolutely. All 3 of them.
Yeah, all 3 of them. You buy 3 houses, all 3 will come with the balloons. Now, all the food in here, maybe not so much. I'll tell you what, they won't. Let me show you what's not going to be included.
Okay.
Look at this thing.
There ain't no way we're leaving here without me trying that.
No, we're absolutely going to have a margarita here today. So if we're slurring our words a lot when we go show you the next video, that's why. So right inside, we've got dining room space here. We've got a big 6-top table here, which could be even more, because you even got chairs around here. Lots of windows, lots of bright space. Nice counters in here.
Can fit plenty of buffets.
Yeah, you can set up a whole thing. Lots of cupcakes and enchiladas.
Vented to the outside.
Yeah, vented to the outside. Oh, Mark, it's one of these. I can't help myself. I think there's a button here somewhere. Or is it a... No, it's a... Oh, old school. Old school.
Nice floors, too.
Yeah, beautiful. And a big living room space. So you can't see it because of all the balloons, but there's a gas fireplace back here.
Okay.
And I like... What do we got? We got
this is huge.
6 windows all around here, and it's a very dedicated space.
Yeah.
Like a lot of times you're walking through the living room to get to other sections of the home. This is dedicated as the living room space.
Now, this is the model home, but this one is for sale.
It's actually, yeah, you could actually buy this house.
Yeah, which is on a pond lot, nobody behind you.
Yeah, with some food maybe, a couple balloons. We'll see. All right, so let's head in here. We've got a big walk-in pantry here.
Oh, that comes close to the Collins.
Yeah, that one's big.
Nice buffet.
Got the drop zone in here.
Nice.
2-car garage. I'll see if there's anything incredible out here. Nope, pretty basic 2-car garage.
All right.
We'll stop the video here. We're going to head upstairs. We'll see you in a minute.
All right, heading upstairs, I got the wood treads on this one. Carpet at the top of the stairs.
So a loft space here that is big enough to be like a playroom. Could totally use this as an office up here.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like, let's start over here.
Okay.
So this one is one of the secondaries, but it's got a Jack and Jill bathroom between the 2 bedrooms here.
Okay.
So dual sink, shower tub combo. This one is currently set up as an office, but secondary second bedroom.
I like that. Secondary second.
I just came up with that. I wasn't sure if you were going to ridicule me about that. All right, back to the front.
You're really going a weird way.
Ensuite in here.
This is the primary? No.
No, but you've
So
got
every bedroom has access to a bathroom without going in the hallway.
That's true. Oh, hey Mark, check this out.
Big closet?
Yeah.
Oh, very big. It's at least a 4 Jeff.
It's a 4 Jeff closet.
And then here's the ensuite. Okay.
So attic access here. Not meant to really store anything up there, but you have attic access. Dual zone, so 1 up, 1 down. Don't have to keep the same temperature.
Do you want to go in this one? Oh, we already went in that
We
one.
were in there.
Okay. I'm so confused.
I took us a weird way. Cool tile down in the
Yeah, it's different.
laundry room. And here's the primary. Big.
On the back of the house, too.
Yeah. On the back. On this one.
With that pond lot.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Do you think there are alligators in there?
I'm hoping there is. I would name him if I lived here.
What would you name them?
Chompers.
Chompers.
Chompers the gator.
This is a big bedroom.
Very nice. And I like the, I'm just seeing it from outside the bathroom.
Ooh, the dark.
Yeah, that's nice.
There's the stickers.
I like that tax sense.
Put your sticker on your...
My sticker on here?
Wait, which one are we in? Save it for later.
Yes. Nice frameless door.
Nice.
Nice tile to the ceiling. Window up there for light.
Wait, can't we just take 4 of those stickers and put it on?
Though I'm sure they have different colors.
Oh.
Yeah. So they have this thing for realtors today. We came in here to do a video. We didn't know they were doing this. And they said if you go to all of these 4 houses and put the stickers on, you could win a prize. And we're not going to go to all 4 houses because we're lazy. Big.
Huge. Look at this.
Big. Like almost another bedroom size.
I think this is bigger than my bedroom as a kid.
Yep.
Water closet, linen closet, no shelves.
So this one is right at the front of the neighborhood. Nice lot overlooking the little pond back here. Listen, I'm not going to be too, like, it's a drainage thing. It's not gorgeous, but it's a little water.
But it's nobody behind you. That's the
important part. Good thought. All right, guys, so with the solar, here's the deal. They're on every house before you ever move in.
Yep.
There's a fee to it. There's $39 a month, and we don't have data yet that says how much that's going to save you on a regular basis.
But totally maintenance free.
Maintenance free, so that's all contracted. If it needs clean, they come out and clean it. If there's a problem, they take care of it. So it's really kind of, if you want a touch of solar but not going all in, it's an easy first step into solar on a brand new house.
For sure, for sure. And only being 7 minutes here from downtown Moncks Corner, we already talked about Music Man Barbecue and some of the little shops over there. There's a Delta Pharmacy.
You told me about a Howard's over here.
Howard's is the best breakfast you'll ever find.
Okay.
In probably all of the Tri-County area.
Did you say it's cash only?
It's cash only, so it's old school.
Don't come in with your credit card.
Right,
You'll
right.
be washing dishes when you're done.
But it's that brick building right over there.
Okay.
I think they're only open till 2 or 3.
All right.
And, you know, make sure you have your cash.
And then we're right, there's train tracks that run right through town here. And this is the old train depot. You said this was
It's an event venue. So I went to a wedding there.
Okay.
And they had catering in there and all kinds of stuff.
Nice.
So you have to hire your own caterer. But
lots of stuff here in Moncks Corner to do. You know, the big park they have over here is absolutely gorgeous. Restaurants, shops, all that. We're only about 20 minutes to Summerville.
that's right.
This has really been an up-and-coming area, so there's more than just this neighborhood. Of course, there's resales, there's other neighborhoods, single-family townhome, all that stuff. If they want information, Mark, what do they do?
Yeah, down in the description, click on that link, book a Zoom call with us. It says book a Zoom call right there, and we'll jump on Zoom, chat, see if Moncks Corner is the right area for you, or maybe you're more of a Summerville person.
Yeah.
Till next time.
See y'all.
See y'all.